In a historic moment that marks a new era in civil aviation, NASA's X-59 experimental jet successfully took off for its first test flight from Air Force Plant 42 in Palmdale, California. This aircraft, specially designed to exceed the speed of sound without producing a disruptive sonic boom, took to the skies at around 8:14 a.m. local time, paving the way for a future of faster and more environmentally friendly commercial air travel. The X-59 aircraft, also known as KSST, Quiet Supersonic Technology, was built by Lockheed Martin at their legendary Skunk Works facility. With a sleek, elongated design reaching nearly 100 feet, about 30 meters, and a sharply tapered nose, this jet is able to reduce supersonic shock waves to a soft thump, equivalent to the sound of a car door closing, rather than the loud explosion heard from the Concorde in the past. The F414G 100 turbofan engine installed on the X-59, a variant of the one used on the F/A-18 Super Hornet, provided spectacular initial thrust, witnessed by approximately 200 aerospace workers and their families who gathered on the nearby roadside. This test is part of NASA's Quest mission, which aims to collect data to re-regulate the ban on supersonic flights over the U.S. mainland. Previously, in June 2025, the Federal Aviation Administration, FAA, lifted the 5-decade-old ban based on a White House executive order, paving the way for new noise level-based standards. This first flight is an important milestone in aeronautical research, said Sean Duffy, U.S. Secretary of Transportation and Acting Administrator of NASA, in an official statement. The maiden flight lasted about an hour, ending with a smooth landing near NASA's Armstrong Flight Research Center at Edwards Air Force Base. Although it did not reach supersonic speed, this test verified the basic safety and feasibility of the aircraft, including the hydrazine system for restarting the engine in flight. The next round of testing will expand the flight envelope, including the first supersonic flight scheduled in the coming months, to measure sound perception on the ground. The X-59 project has attracted global attention since its release in January 2024 and its first engine test in November 2024. Data from this mission will be shared with U.S. and international regulators, helping private companies such as Boom Supersonic develop commercial supersonic passenger jets. The X-59 is the only aircraft designed to demonstrate supersonic flight capabilities with minimal sonic boom. This is not only a technological breakthrough, but also a step towards more inclusive and sustainable aviation. Meanwhile, aircraft observers around the world are following this flight in real time via Flight Radar 24, making it one of the most tracked aircraft today. With a potential speed of up to Mach 1.4, approximately 1,500 km per hour, the X-59 could shorten transcontinental trips, such as New York to Los Angeles, to less than 3 hours, without disturbing residents below.